What is it that you need to be able to actually make sales before they can even happen? You need a great offer. And the funny thing is, most people's offers, they suck. Afro and I want to do something special just for you.
We're actually doing a workshop. It's called the Offer Mastery Workshop, where you can learn a few things. The first thing you're going to learn is how to create irresistible offer. And not only that, how to actually create an offer that you can sell again and again, increasing your LTV, your lifetime value of every single person who comes into your coaching business.
So here's the thing, without a good offer, you can't get leads. So if you want to be able to make more sales, the first step, the absolutely most important step is your offer. And Afro is a master at creating fantastic offers. So on Wednesday, May 15th at 12 o'clock Eastern, 11 o'clock Central, that is 9 a.m. Pacific, you get to come to a workshop and learn from the master. And here's the thing, usually something like this is about $49.95. We're gonna do this for free.
Yes.
You have to register for this. So all you have to do is click the button below and register for this absolutely free workshop. It is going to be 60 minutes of your life that you're going to help yourself create more leads with the best offer that you could possibly put together.
See you there.